What's up YouTube? This is indeed the Internet Income Ninja. Thank you so much for stopping by, and in today's video it is a very short special video because in this video I'm going to show you how you can make $1,000 per day. Yep, $1,000 per day. Now this isn't a guarantee, but many have done it, and so can you. Now this is how what you're looking at is a YouTube video from my perspective. Okay, honestly, typically I would have it in dark mode, but this is typically how it will look for me. So I'm actually looking at one of my videos, and the title of the video is Affiliate Marketing for Beginners. Alright, high ticket affiliate marketing, Internet Income Ninja. That's me. So why am I showing this video? Well, simply put, you can easily make $1,000 by following these steps. Are you ready? Okay, whenever I post a video, if you scroll down to the description, hit show more, you will see these links. Okay, this is a free ebook. This is a software called Canva. Canva is software that can be used to create digital products. It could be a resume, a cover letter. You could design and create a planner. It could be a diary. You could do photo portraits. You could do thumbnails, imagery for your content, Instagram, TikTok, anything. You can do all of that visual stuff with Canva, and it's free. Okay. This link, this is money. Okay, so if you want to earn $1,000 per day, you click this link. It will open up a menu. All right, okay, so you will see this menu pop up. Alright, now under this menu you're going to see these options, these buttons. This is the #1 business I will recommend any person to start today, right now, not even sometime today, right now. So you're going to click this link and watch the magic happen. Alright, so we're clicking. Okay, so when you click that button, this is the page that's going to pop up. Okay, live the laptop lifestyle. Ever wanted to have super profitable online business without creating products, carrying inventory, dealing with customers, or spending countless hours on activities that don't generate revenue? Right, and you can read the rest, but what's important is that you start now. So you press this button, alright, or if you want to read some more, you can read a little more. There's not a whole lot more to read. Then you press this button, and what will happen? This will pop up. You enter your name and your best email address to get exclusive access, and then you click this button. Okay? Really important that you do that. Okay? When you enter your name and email address, you're going to be taken to this page. You can watch this video. Okay, short video, it's like 2 minutes. Okay, then if you want to jump into everything, just click start now. But if you want to read some more, alright, you can read through, learn a bit more, alright, and you'll hear about David Sharp. David Sharp is the owner of Legendary Marketer, and he has passed 8 figures. Alright, he has built an insanely large business, and he has broken this business model down so that everybody can understand. Okay, and when you click start now, you're going to be taken to his story. It's a free video. Everything is right. His video is free, so you can watch it for free. Alright, but if you want testimonials and you want to hear the experiences of real life people, you can watch these videos. This is a really old guy. He looks like he's 70 something, 80 something, and he started his business using the same model and making 1,000 per day, 2,000, 3,000, whatever. Okay? When you're done reading all that or watching these videos, press that button or press this button. Okay? Alright. Next step. Alright? So, what you're going to do, well, after you click start now, you're going to be taken to this page. For anyone who wants to start a profitable online business but doesn't know where to begin. And this is David Sharp. And this is where you're going to hear 10 minutes of awesome. Okay? He's going to share with you his story, how he did it, the path he trod, and more. I don't want to spoil it for you. But in this video, you need to listen and learn, pay attention, take note of what he says. Alright? You need to be informed. After you're finished watching this video, there will be some options that come up, and from there you have the option to opt in or not. But this is the simple system, the simple steps that you must take to earn $1,000 per day. It's that simple. Okay? Once the options come up, you click on that option and it will take you to a sales page that will ask you to take the Business Builder Challenge. Okay? It costs $7, and I know you're probably thinking, $7, what can that do? $7 will do a whole lot. Like, help you be on the path to making over $1,000 per day. I cannot guarantee how much money you'll make because that all depends on you and how much action you take. But I can only show you the door. It's up to you to walk through it. Those are the steps. Go to my video. Do all I've said from start to here. Make money online. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Hit the subscribe button, smash the notification bell, like, comment, and share. I cannot make it any easier than this. I'll see you on the other side, guys.